Assalamualaikum KG1 class. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is circle the first letter of each picture. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is apple. This is an apple. The initial letter of apple is A. Sounds like a. A. Apple. A. Apple. Now we will circle the letter A. A. Apple. The second picture is ball. This is a ball. The initial letter of ball is B. Sounds like B. B. Ball. B. Ball. Now we will circle the letter B. B. Ball. The third picture is cat. This is a cat. The initial letter of cat is C. Sounds like K. K. Cat. K. Cat. Now we will circle the letter C. K. Cat. This is a dog. The initial letter of dog is D. Sounds like D. The dog. The dog. Now we will circle the letter D. The dog. This is an egg. This is an egg. The initial letter of egg is E. Sounds like a. A. Egg. A. Egg. Now we will circle the letter E. A. Egg. This is a fan. This is a fan. The initial letter of fan is F. Sounds like F. F. Fan. F. Fan. Now we will circle the letter F. F. Fan. These are grapes. The initial letter of grapes is G. Sounds like G. G. Grapes. G. Grapes. Now we will circle the letter G. G. Grapes. This is a hat. This is a hat. The initial letter of hat is H. Sounds like H. H. Hat. H. Hat. Now we will circle the letter H. H. Hat. This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. The initial letter of ice cream is I. Sounds like E. I. Ice cream. I. Ice cream. Now we will circle the letter I. I. Ice cream. This is a jug. This is a jug. The initial letter of jug is J. Sounds like J. J. Jug. J. Jug. Now we will circle the letter J. J. Jug. This is a key. This is a key. The initial letter of key is K. Sounds like K. K. Key. K. Key. Now we will circle the letter K. K. Key. These are legs. The initial letter of legs is L. Sounds like L. L. Legs. L. Legs. Now we will circle the letter L. L. Legs. This is a mango. The initial letter of mango is M. Sounds like M. M. Mango. M. Mango. Now we will circle the letter M. M. Mango. This is a net. This is a net. The initial letter of net is N. Sounds like N. N. Net. N. Net. Now we will circle the letter N. N. Net. This is an owl. This is an owl. The initial letter of owl is O. Sounds like O. O owl. O owl. Now we will circle the letter O. O owl. This is a pen. This is a pen. The initial letter of pen is P. Sounds like P. P. Pen. P. Pen. Now we will circle the letter P. P. Pen. This is a coin. This is a coin. The initial letter of coin is Q. Sounds like Q. Q. Coin. Q. Coin. Now we will circle the letter Q. Q. Coin. This is a rat. This is a rat. The initial letter of rat is R. Sounds like R. R. Rat. R. Rat. Now we will circle the letter R. R. Rat.